don't worry. From now on, 10 feet away. So a great job. The pub is just jumping over. Still one more spot is on the right hand side, my hand. And remember, it's tackle of the nation. The avant-garde god of this, those king cobras are one of the world's largest poisonous snakes, and they attack with a strangest motion. So, watch out, everyone. Alright guys, okay, all with last night, I think we are all in danger. Oops, maybe not yet. Can't see that. We have a word for those reptiles over here. We call them crocodiles. But did you know how they cause? How they cause dinner? But okay, it's not a time for the dinner yet, so we're still safe. Just don't wake up and don't come at night anymore. Oh, Professor Porter and Jane has 7 came just over here. But it seems there's some expected company. Those floating gorillas. Hello, gorillas. How are you doing? Hey, here's the winner. Hold on. Remember this with me? We were Professor Porter coming back to punish them as a floating gorilla. As the grass and with all kinds of animals, including zebras and giraffes, and tell the left, is the number 2 most feared animal in the jungle. His name is African animal. Yeah, but who is the number 1? His mother-in-law, she's much more scary. And we're now entering the pool of dangerous evils. There are 6,000 pounds and they sank 6 more yesterday. But don't worry, only 5 of them were mice. They don't want to hit us. Don't come ever again. I'm scared. Oh. And the other side. Oh, so disgusting. I remember watching the everyday symbols. And they were my guests before, but they didn't listen to my advice and jumped on the boat when they saw the wine. And now they have to pay them forever. And I won't save them. There wasn't mine. See you. I hope so save them soon, poor guys. Oh. See those skulls? It's Canton sign language. It says, please remove your watches and jewelry that we won't get stung again when we hit you. Oh, it's horrible. I hope they're like home today. For sure they are. Alright, I think it's... Hello, we are not tasty. Just let's go over here. They're waiting to surround us. Oh, be careful, the poison now. I love that. Alright, if I'm just still here, then we may go back to the dog. The dog is just up ahead on the left hand side. Nothing is gonna stop us anymore. Oh, except that. Watch out, everyone, hold on tight. Oh, what's happening? Where are we now? Oh, it seems we are falsely care of the gods. This mysterious thing is pushing for me intruders, but I go find out the gold border, and then from our way, let's go find this angry now. Okay, we have to go that way. Look at that. Hey, down there, you can be fighting people. They go border, you're hearing. It's really hot. Alright, finally, we can sit down again, and that means we are all safe. But before we go back to the dock, can you hear that? What silence is? Oh, it's the baby elephant again. Bye! Alright, please remain seated and keep your hands, arms and elbow all inside my boat. Mind your elbow, mind your elbow. Keep your elbow and hands inside my boat. Thank you. Alright then, let's go back to the dog. Say your baby elephant. But if you miss him so much and want to see him once more time, just once more time, go back to queue again for animals. And that's the only way we have. And give around 5 more seconds to stop my boat, and you can use the AC in the window and also at the back. Just remember, don't climb and don't cross the window. Alright, ready? 3, 2, and 1. Okay, my boat stopped for me. Time to say goodbye, everyone. See you guys. Bye bye.